Well, today we have been back down at Stanley Park and giving you a quick update on what Anfield is now looking like now that the roof has half been taken down. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, share the content, give us a like, leave any comments in the comment section below. Don't forget it is free to subscribe to the channel. You don't get charged anything to use YouTube, so hit that subscribe button. So the purpose of today's video is to just give you a look at what the stand is now looking like now half the roof has been taken down. The full update I do will be out tomorrow. So enjoy the views for now, and we will be back tomorrow for our full update. If you haven't seen it and you do want to see the roof actually being taken off, check out Casey Imageworks. Kev from that channel actually caught the moment it was taken off, and it's on his video on his channel, so check that out. I'll leave a link to that video in our description, so if you do want to check that out, take a look. It is a good watch. But we will see you soon with our full update. Take care of yourselves. So we started having problems with the gimbal on the drone, which is like what holds the camera in. So we were going to go around further, but we just couldn't because of them problems. But this will all be the update we are doing on the 31st of May.